Hi, I'm Dr. Busti, and welcome to your NAPLEX Exam Review Course. We are genuinely glad that you've chosen us to help you achieve this goal. You know, guys, what you've purchased represents what you need to pass. But listen, only if you follow the plan. This isn't just a course, it's a strategy, it's a roadmap. And if you commit to it, you'll get across the finish line with confidence. Let's take a moment and think about the moment an athlete wins an Olympic medal. Sometimes they're crying. Well, they're not crying because they won. They're crying because the reward that they received reflects the level and degree of work. All the early mornings, the discipline, the setbacks, the comebacks. They had to do more than just eat right and stretch. They had to practice the event itself over and over again until it was second nature. You're training for a different kind of event, a high-stakes licensure exam where the pass rates over the last decade have been dismal compared to the past. It's okay, I'm here to be your coach. So what is the most important predictor of success? Practicing with purpose and a strategy. Yes, reading notes, guidelines is helpful. Watching lectures is good, but repetition with questions, applying what you've learned, is the game changer. So if you were preparing to run Olympic hurdles, you wouldn't spend your time swimming laps in the pool. You would jump over thousands upon thousands of hurdles. You're preparing to take a difficult multiple choice exam. So therefore, you need to practice what you will need to do to perform on this exam. So first, we want you to take the pre-test. Just get it off the plate, right? Establish the baseline. This will let you feel what the exam is like. It shows you where to focus. Now, don't overthink that score. It's just the starting line. Next, I encourage you to dive fully in to our NAPLEX QBank, where you have access to hundreds of practice test questions of varying degrees of difficulty, but they are aligned to the exam blueprint. We have been doing this, guys, over 18 years, and this is where that transformation really starts to happen. You'll be practicing applying knowledge, not just recalling facts. We're going to train you with core concepts so that you can tackle any question, even the ones you've never seen before. We're going to reinforce established standards of practice, track your progress. You can identify gaps with your My Performance tools. We'll give you access to bonus materials to help you fill in the gaps. Now remember, guys, no one has the real exam questions. But if you know why something is correct, you'll be ready for anything that exam throws at you. Now, before the exam day, we want you to take a post-test. It is completely different from your pre-test. A whole new set of questions, not even found in the QBank. Just like what you're going to experience in the real NAPLEX administered exam. So it's a chance for you to test your skills again. And it gives a clear view of how far you've come. Follow the plan, stay engaged, and when you walk into that testing center, you will be confident, capable, and ready. We stand behind you. We guarantee you'll pass if you do your part, or you'll get your money back. Guys, thank you for making an investment in your career and allowing us to be a part of it.